Hello everyone, what's cooking? I'm trimming the tall custard apple branches. It's getting taller and taller. Have to use a ladder, but have to be very careful. Have to climb to the top of the ladder with a saw. Let's get creative. Bought a cheap new saw. Wait a minute, where is the sharpness? I meant the steel blade. The handle is missing its sharpness. Oh, it's here. The steel blade. Have fixed it to a piece of wood. Fix the saw to this long piece of wood. Using the existing holes. Look at that! How tall is tall? It's time to get to work. The saw is ready. Oh man, it's still too tall for the saw and the pole. We still need the ladder. Where is the pink ladder? A unique ladder indeed. Repainted it some time back. The wood for the saw is heavy. Look at this saw, brand new, but it's a cheap one. But it is very sharp. It gets the job done. So many branches and leaves, trimming it for more fruits, also for easy harvesting. Completed the trimming, oiling the saw to prevent rusting. covered it with a plastic strip because it is very sharp. Good day, everyone. Thank you.